Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that managing your Bitcoin across different wallets is key. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Gemini. This process is simple, secure, and can help you move your assets for trading, staking, or just better organization. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Gemini account set up. Trust Wallet is your go-to mobile app for storing crypto, and Gemini is a reliable exchange for buying, selling, and holding assets. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Navigate to the Bitcoin section, it's usually at the top of your dashboard. Next, you'll need to get your Gemini wallet address. Hop over to the Gemini app or website, log in, and go to your wallet section. Find your Bitcoin address, it's a long string of letters and numbers. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Bitcoin wallet and select the Send button. You'll see a screen to enter the recipient's address. Paste in the Gemini address you just copied. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, Bitcoin transactions involve network fees, so check the estimated fee before proceeding. It's often around 0.0001 to 0.001 BTC depending on network congestion in 2025. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the fee. Once you're sure, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. You'll get a confirmation screen. Review it one last time. After you approve, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to complete, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your Gemini account to see when the Bitcoin arrives. Pro tip: always use the Bitcoin network for this transfer to avoid any compatibility issues. And there you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet to Gemini in 2025. This method keeps your assets safe and gives you more flexibility in the crypto space. If you run into any issues, double-check your addresses and fees. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.